Since I'm on KidZone, I get to have fun while making videos.
You sure about that? You ready?
Since I didn't know we were going to be in the mermaid room, but we are, and look what I brought. I brought a mermaid, and here's a mermaid. There's mermaids everywhere. There's one here, and there's one there, and in this room, there's two.
Okay.
I'm going to show you the rest of the room, but first let's play hide and seek.
Okay, where is Payton? Let me guess. Is she in here? No? In the bathroom? Nope. Where is she?
You found me.
Payton in there, okay. Now, here we are behind the scenes for Payton's test. How you doing, Payton?
Good.
Good. You excited?
Uh-huh.
Awesome. We're trying to pretty you up so you'll be presentable.
Get the other side of you.
Hey, it's Rick with SeeMyBeach.com. I'm here today with Payton. How you doing, Payton?
Good.
Payton is here to audition to become a co-host for KidZone, right?
Mm-hmm.
You excited?
Yeah.
And you know what's funny is you brought a mermaid with you, and
we're in the mermaid room.
we're in the mermaid room, and you didn't even know we were going to be here, did you?
Mm-mm.
That's just perfect, right? So you excited? What we're going to do is we're going to show the room first, and then we're going to go show people the really cool beach here, and it's going to be all about where kids can bring their parents, okay?
Okay.
All right, you like this place already, don't you?
Uh-huh.
All right, so let's get at it, and let's start making the video. Tell me when you're ready. Oh, you're caught up.
Try it all the way from the top again, like how you did before, baby. It was really.
Look at that. True talent. Everything's a game, huh, Payton? All right, you ready to start the video? We're going to go outside and start the video? Let's do it. Let's talk about what we're going to do first.
Okay.
So, because it's so hot, so we'll have a plan, okay?
Good idea.
I'm going to say that we're doing a test on Payton, and you're going to be testing to become a potential co-host of KidZone. But it's going to be an audition where you see, whether you can become a host of KidZone, okay? Mm-hmm. So I'll do a little quick intro, saying, all right, Payton, what we're going to do the mermaid room first.
And then the other room, like the dolphin room.
Well, no, we're not going to do those today. We're just going to do this one. But what we want you to do, we'll let you go in the dolphin room and stuff, but for video, just this one. So what we're going to do is, from out there, whenever I finish talking, I want you to say, look at me, say, hey, it's Payton with KidZone on SeeMyBeach.com.
I put that in my little purse. I have a line.
Can you say it without the purse? Say, I'm Payton with KidZone on SeeMyBeach.com.
Hi, I'm Payton with KidZone on SeeMyBeach.com.
Very good. That's better than 80% of the kids we've started with. So
Nice job.
So nice job. Where are you going?
I'm going in.
Payton.
Okay.
This is without.
Payton's a challenge.
This is without a soda.
Hey, listen. That's the first thing you're going to say, and then I'll feed you lines after that to say, okay? And after you finish a line, look at me. After you finish a line and you say, hey, I'm Payton with KidZone on SeeMyBeach.com, you just stop there and say, looking at the camera. That way, if you mess up later, and you don't need to put that in your dress.
Stop me.
That way, if we mess up later, we'll at least have that first part already in the can, so we don't have to redo that, okay?
Nice.
So just whenever you do one line, we tell you, you stop there, and then we go to the next line, okay?
Okay.
And just stay looking straight at the camera, okay? Got it?
Okay.
All right.
I'm going to try one more time.
Payton, come on, baby.
I'm going to try doing it.
Payton, we're gonna be coming back in here. Payton, right? We're gonna be coming back in here. You need to
I want to
focus,
fly.
please. You need to focus.
Yeah, little intro first. All right, here's the test for Payton. We're gonna be testing you for doing a video of the mermaid room. You ready? Mm-hmm. Okay, when my finger goes down, you can start.
Hi, my name's Payton with KidZone on TMIBeach.com.
All right, that was pretty good. Let's do it one more time. Stop spinning. My finger goes down.
Hi, my name's Payton. I'm with KidZone with
How long are you gonna go? Okay, come on.
Practice one time before he starts recording. Why don't you practice one time?
First line now.
Hi, my name's Payton with KidZone on TMIBeach.com.
That was awesome for your first one. Yeah, baby. All right, good job. Okay.
I'm gonna say first we're gonna do the mermaid room.
The first thing I'm going to show you is the mermaid room, and this is the courtyard.
Okay. First thing I'm gonna show you.
Wait. Finger. Ready?
First thing I'm gonna show you is the mermaid room. Here's the courtyard.
Wait.
Just down, baby girl.
First thing I'm gonna show you is the mermaid room. Here's the courtyard. First thing I'm gonna
Glasses down.
First thing I'm gonna show you is the courtyard.
Nope.
The mermaid.
All right, start over.
First thing
Wait. Finger.
First thing I'm gonna show you is the mermaid room. Here's the courtyard. I was a little
Start over.
pizzazz.
Start over. I thought I'd put a little pizzazz on that for you guys. Let's go see the room.
I thought I'd put a little pizzazz on that for you. Let's go see the room.
That was very okay.
I thought I'd put
No,
a
wait.
little I thought I'd put a little pizzazz on that for you guys. Come on, let me go show you the room. This is the first room of the mermaid room. These are some lovely bunk beds. And this is the main room of the mermaid room. Here's a nice TV, here's a mermaid, a treasure chest right there. And then here we hang the clothes, and then in here is just that. And then here's two mermaids. And here's the kitchen. Everything's easy to reach for me. And then we have a blender, plates, cups, silverware. Then this one have bowls, ice cubes, some more cups, and these things and seasoning. And then right here it says wash your hands, all the steps, and then they got this. And then here's the bathroom.
Okay. Wait. I gotta get out. It's not, you didn't do anything wrong. I gotta get myself out of this picture. Okay?
Here's the bathroom. Here's a shower. Here's a towel. And then the mirror actually opened. And then the soap can go here, but they decided to put it there. And now let's go to the beach.
All right.
This bed is too comfortable. I just had to take a nap. I'm gonna go change in my bathing suit, and then we're gonna go to the beach.
No.
This bed is so uncomfortable. I had to take it out. I'm gonna go change in my bathing suit, and then let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach.
That's very cool.
Isn't that cool?
Beautiful.
It's a little heart thing. There's grass, there's
It's
trees,
amazing.
there's flowers, there's. See, I did a picture of the pool. So much going on. I never get pictures of the pool. Oh wait, yes I did because.
And this is Dawn. This is the mom. How you doing, Dawn?
Hi, I'm doing good. How are you?
Awesome. Thanks for bringing her over. She's fantastic. I think we're gonna have a new co-host of KidZone.
I'm excited.
It's looking
I
like
look
that.
forward to it.
We
That'll
are
be
too.
Fun.
It's a big adventure for her, and it's good for us, and also.
And I get to come for the adventures too.
That's right. That's right.
Get along with the ride.
You'll find there's a lot of fun adventures we do too. So, all right, take care.
The really cool thing about this resort is that they have a lot of toys that you can play with.
I did bring the hairbrush too.
Okay. You wanna play? Okay, no, I wasn't ready for you. Go back over. Now.
How cool is this? Hi, Mama.
Oh. All right, look.
Jump towards a little deeper maybe, or watch, there's rocks.
Yeah,
there.
be careful.
Right, kiddo?
Whoosh.
I'm using the sand to help me move.
Smart.
It's time to go get a boogie board.
I'm gonna show you picking out the boogie board, okay? All right, don't. Just go get in the water. Just go get in the water. You're not boogieing very much. Try to come this direction.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Oh, okay. Look. That didn't work either, huh?
Maybe I should go get the shark and just like float on.
Do that, do that.
I thought it would be easier with this, but it was not.
Didn't work, huh? Oh. Don't get too far out because it's so rough.
I need a paddle.
This is a very busy, very windy day. I've never seen the water this high here either. You ready?
Come on, can you push me out?
Yep. Tell me when you're ready.
And now.
Oh. Whoop. Show the camera, Payton. Just hold them in flat in your hand. There you go. Now let me get a picture. I wouldn't try to go too far in that little one. That was close.
Going down. Slippery.
And I bet it's hard to do.
Very tricky. Very hard.
It's because it's taller.
Once you try to, can you get up here, you think?
But we can't drag it.
We're gonna let that be the closeout. Had a great time today. A little more windy than we wanted it to be, but today's the day we had to do this. And let us know if you guys think Payton would make a good co-host on SeeMyBeach.com on KidZone. Rick signing out right here at beautiful Lime Sailing Club and Cottages, Key Largo, Florida. And you see where it says red?
Uh-huh.
That means you're recording.
Okay.
You have to watch for that. Okay.
Okay, look at that old boring ball.
Oh.
It's a big sucker, huh?
I'm gonna go get a look at that.
Okay.
I'm gonna get a look at it.
Although it's crazy, I don't know how the heck they got that thing to float.
Come on, Mom. How's your day going?
My day's going great. I've had a lot of fun and saw a really cool property
Starfish?
I've never seen before with lots of nature and air plants and starfish. Got to be with my baby girl.
Oh no, where'd Rick go? Oh, there he is.
He's over there.
Okay, tell everybody what we're doing right now.
We're gonna put a starfish in the tank.
We're gonna contribute a starfish because they already have two.
Okay, how do I? Can you rinse me off? I wanna get on.
Twist and look at me when you come back this way. You're gonna hit this if you don't watch it.
Why does it sit down on it so it doesn't hit me?
I'll hold it away from you. You having fun?
Yeah,
How was your first audition for
good.
KidZone on See My Beach?
Good.
Tricked you that time.
I got my hand in
You got it, you got it. You know what the monkeys do at Dania Beach Monkeys?
What?
You see where that flap is right there?
Uh-huh.
That flap makes the camera go black, and the monkeys reach out with their fingers and make it and close it when I'm trying to film them. I don't know why I thought about monkeys when I was filming you. What do you think it was? Yeah, you gonna try to do it?
Yeah.
There you go.
Wait, can I see it? I want to see that. Okay, okay.
You can't see anything. Here, right here, look, right here, look. Push that down. Down. See? That's what it does. Pretty cool. This is real behind the scenes here. Now watch. Stay there. Watch when I do this. Now look at this.
Fast. Hey, can you realize something?
All right, that border. Be careful. What are you doing?
In the inside of our house, there's like a shelf, a windowsill, windowsill in the playroom.
Right.
It goes around the whole length of the room. She was 2. She would get my high heels and walk along the windowsill. She's 2. And people come over, they freak out. Oh my God, she's gonna fall. Just let her do it. She's not gonna learn until she falls.
Right.
Never fell. Not once. Never.
Amazing.
Walking
What people didn't see on camera, because I missed the shot, was she jumped from that rock that's right there all the way to the paddleboard and didn't fall.
Yeah, right? She's good.
That was pretty amazing. All right,
Good.
stand up. What are we gonna do next?
I'm staying on the paddleboard.
We're starting to wind it down a little bit, so why don't you come up with something good for the last couple of shots here, babes?
What are we doing?
Work out.
I wasn't recording. I'm kidding.
Why don't you try and paddle? Try and paddle while you're up here. Paddle to push off. You get close to the end of the paddle. No, like push off. You want to move your paddle up like a brake.
Be very gentle with him. How long have you had him now, Jen?
About 8 weeks.
Shut up again. How cute is that?
He likes you.
He likes you. He's coming to your hair. Look at that.
Don't cry my hair. It's tickled.
He's like, oh, I like your hat.
Is that what it is? He's interested in
yeah.
something. That's a look what she's got.
Oh, nice.
That's Martin.
She said, oh, nice, and steps back.
All right, guys. Rick with SeeMyBeach.com, KidZone. We're about to close out the video. Was this a great experience or what?
Hey, it's a KidZone.
What? No, we gotta start. Say it.
Hi, I'm Payton from KidZone on SeeMyBeach.com. I'm putting the video at Lime Sailing Cottages. I said pa.
I saw it. I heard that. All right, say it again.
I'm Payton on KidZone at SeeMyBeach.com.
That wasn't even close. That wasn't even close.
That's to close the video at Lime Sailing Cottages.
All right.
Lime
Sailing Club and Cottages.
Sailing Club and Cottages.
Paul, she just renamed your place.
Bye.
Come on. I almost got her falling down. That would have been fun.
Yeah, right?
I I'm ready to go. It's her. I'm ready to go. It's her. I'll let you know when we're ready. You're doing amazing, girl. All right, look.
We need to do oh shit, you mean the...
Yeah, don't worry about it. It's okay.
Are you sure? I can grab it. If you think we can do like a 10-minute, like...
Don't worry about it. We'll skip it. Yeah. Payton, tell him thank you. Tell him what a good job he did.
Thank you for what you do.
She enjoyed the band. She was talking that while we were having lunch. Thank you, buddy.
Thank you very much.
Take care, brother. You're part of SeeMyBeach.com now, my man.
Absolutely.
All right, thank you so much.
See you again soon.
Oh, you will. You will. Off the camera, the guy. We met him because he was concerned and loving the fact that we were cleaning litter. That I say we, the little girl was cleaning litter, and you care about that, and I appreciate that. And that means a lot to us. So thank you. You're always a part of what we do. Thank you, my friend. See you later. Take care.